Imagine that with just 5 minutes of time, you can enter a trade that is set up exactly according to the trend, buying power and divergence. Today, you will learn a great scalping strategy that combines EMA, RSI, and CCI. Are you ready to get started? First of all, let's go to the chart. Set the time frame to 5 minutes. Now add 2 EMAs, one on the period 10 and one on the period 21. If you want to look at it longer, the EMA 50 is also great. Then bring in the RSI, but with a period of 7, this setting works better for scalping. Don't forget the levels 30 and 70. Finally, add the CCI indicator with a period of 7. This tool can show us subtle divergences. When the price is above the EMAs, it means that the market is bullish. Now, if the RSI drops below 30 and then comes back up, it is a strong signal. If at the same time the CCI is in the negative range and turns up, that's when we have the opportunity to enter. We wait for the current candle to close and then enter a buy trade. Place the stop loss below the last swing. For profit limit, you can use the stop distance or wait until the RSI reaches the 50 level. If you like the strategy so far, be sure to like it and leave a comment telling us which currency pair you scalp the most. Now it's the other way around. The price is below the EMA, the RSI has turned above 70, and the CCI has also given a negative signal. In this case, we enter a sell trade, place the stop loss above the last ceiling, and set the profit limit in the same way as in the previous method. One of the most important parts is the management of the trade. When the price has moved, for example, 5 pips in your direction, move the stop loss to the entry point. Or use the fast EMA as a trailing stop to lock in your profit. One of the main problems of scalpers is rushing into incomplete signals. To avoid this, you can also check the trading volume or volumes. If at the moment when the RSI and CCI give signals, the trading volume also suddenly increases, then we can say that the signal has strength. It is also very important to check the behavior of the candles. For example, when the candlestick is turned back, it forms with a long lower shadow, which means that buyers have returned to the market. If there is one thing that professional traders always do, it is record trades and backtest. You can test this same EMA plus RSI plus CCI strategy on historical data, write down the results, and see under what conditions it works best. This will help you to know the strategy, gain confidence in it, and be less hesitant in real time. Remember to always keep your risk-reward ratio at least 1-to-1. This way, you will make a profit even with a lower win rate. Let's take a real example of EUR/USD. The price is above the EMA, the RSI has turned below 30, and the CCI has also turned positive. We entered on the next candle, set the stop loss below the last low, and set the TP to twice the stop distance. A few minutes later, the trade was closed with profit. If this strategy worked for you, be sure to backtest it and practice on a demo account. Discipline and risk management are the keys to success. Don't forget to subscribe, because our next videos are going to teach you a whole lot more awesome scalping strategies. Until the next video, goodbye. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.